We are the tech leaders in the steam industry, and we're right here in Rockmart.
We manufacture steam boilers and related products. One of the best parts of my job is going out and seeing our customers' factories and getting to walk through all the different things that steam touches and how it helps power the world today.
While we're a big company, the culture feels tight.
The great things about this company, one, it would be the people.
I definitely enjoy the environment that they provide here.
It's nice to see other people that care so much within the company giving their heart and soul, pouring it in, and it makes you just want to give the same.
I enjoy being here because I feel involved, feel like a part of a good team, and that you have an equal role here.
We work hard, we play hard, but I don't take my work home with me.
Miura provides a great work-life balance. We know what has to be done. Come in when you're supposed to, you get off when you're supposed to. Leaves plans with the family unaltered, unaffected.
Our benefits are great. One of the better benefit packages that I've had in my career.
We have 2 medical plans. We also have dental and vision. We have 401k, PTO rollover, so you can add up that PTO.
Miura has the entire package. It gives you a lot of opportunity, not just for yourself, but your family. That's one of the things that attracted me to come to Miura and stay at Miura.
Most rewarding is taking care of my family and knowing that they're taken care of. I feel like I'm well compensated. They also support career path by letting you have the opportunity to move to different processes and make more money.
That's the great thing about Miura is that there are so many different departments that if you want to expand your horizons and a job opportunity opens up, then you have that opportunity.
I started out in logistics and now I'm in HR.
I started working out in the factory, and as time went on, they allowed me to interview and apply for a field maintenance technician.
So they're very open to helping you excel in what you're best at.
Miura prides himself on training. We're partnering with Georgia Northwestern Technical College on a new trade program that will help employ new boiler field techs.
The basic idea of this program is to provide a comprehensive training curriculum. By the end of this program, we will have students who are now well-versed not only in boiler maintenance technician, but also specifically oriented toward Miura products. They can either come work for one of our regional maintenance groups, or they can work with one of our representative partners that we work with across the country.
When you come to Miura, you're going to enjoy coming into work every day. It's good to be part of a team growing towards one big goal.
Be confident that you're coming into a great company that offers really great opportunities for their employees. Not only opportunities, but cares for their employees. Make sure that there's a work-life balance, and they certainly give you the confidence to be able to excel at your job.
We've got incredible products. We also have a strategy of being a solution provider with our customers, not just a manufacturer.
I feel like we've grown a lot, and I feel like we're just, moving on up there.